Today I'm going to show you how to remove dents and scratches from wood furniture just by using steam. So I'm working on this 1960s Harvey Prober dresser. First I'm going to show you a close-up of the dents and scratches that I'm removing from this drawer in particular. This. Alright, so I got my iron heated up, filled with water, and I don't typically use a rag, but you can in between the wood and the iron. If you're worried about the wood getting damaged or if it's really thin veneer or something that you don't want to mess with. But this is the original finish on this, I can tell, so I'm just going to steam straight on this because I'm going to end up sanding this down anyways after I remove those dents out. It's okay if the iron touches the wood. Once again, this is the original finish. I haven't touched it yet, but it's kind of caked on there, so I don't care if the water messes with the finish because I'm going to sand it down. Now from time to time, I'll wipe this with a cloth just to kind of remove the water and be able to see it a little better. You just keep repeating this until it's completely lifted and become even with the rest of the wood surface. So you can still see this one a little bit. That one's mostly gone. And then there was a scratch somewhere over here, but I can't even see it now. So I'm gonna do a little more steam and see if we can pull these out real quick. So I like to move it back and forth a little bit, just so I don't burn anything. I don't know if you can burn it, steaming it. I've never done that, so gotta move it back and forth real slow. All right, I think we're good. So now that it's flattened out, the grain has raised up even with everything. All I have left to do now is sand the surface. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to share it. And if you like mid-century modern furniture, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Lastly, leave a comment below if you want to see more videos like this on our channel. Thanks and see you next time.